vs. Soft skills. Technical skills. Understanding the balance for career success. Welcome to an exciting exploration of the skills that will shape your future career. Today we'll discover how different types of abilities work together to create workplace success. Why skills matter in every career. What we'll learn today. Welcome to today's lesson on soft skills versus technical skills. In this class, we'll explore two different types of skills that are important in any career. You'll see how both play a role in jobs and why employers want people who can do more than just one type. By the end, you'll understand how these skills work together to help people succeed. Soft skills and technical skills are both needed. We'll explore definitions and examples. Goal: see how these skills work together for career success. Discussion question: why do you think it's important to learn about both soft skills and technical skills? Two types of skills for success. Any career depends on having the right mix of skills. Soft skills are people-centered abilities like communication, teamwork, and problem-solving, while technical skills, or hard skills, are job-specific abilities like coding, fixing machines, or using medical equipment. For example, a nurse needs technical skills to use medical tools but also soft skills like empathy to support patients. Employers look for workers who can balance both types of skills, because together they make someone prepared for success in any workplace. Example: nurses need medical tools and empathy. Employers value people who can balance both. Careers need both soft and technical skills. Discussion question: can you think of a job where both soft and technical skills are equally important? Our learning goals today. Today's learning goal is to identify and explain the difference between soft skills and technical skills. You will practice sorting different skills into categories and reflect on which ones you are best at. You will also think about which skills you want to improve. By the end of the lesson, you will understand why both kinds of skills are necessary in real jobs. Identify soft versus technical skills. Sort examples in groups. Reflect on strengths and areas to improve. Learn to recognize the key differences between these skill types. Practice categorizing skills through hands-on activities. Discover your current abilities and growth opportunities. Discussion question: which type of skill, soft or technical, do you think you're stronger in right now? Let's talk about skills. Before we dive in, let's think about the word skills. Skills are things you can do well, either from practice or training. Take a moment to think of a job you know. What skills do you think someone in that job needs? Some may be about using tools or technology, and others may be about how they work with people. Warm up: what does skills mean? Think of a job and its skills. Notice the difference: some skills are about working with people, soft skills, while others are about using tools or technology, technical skills. Discussion question: what skills do you think a teacher needs to be successful? Understanding soft skills. Soft skills are personal qualities that help you work well with others. These include communication, teamwork, problem-solving, and adaptability. They aren't tied to one specific job but are important in every career. For example, a teacher needs to communicate clearly with students, and an athlete needs teamwork to win games. Communication. Teamwork. Speaking clearly, listening well, and expressing ideas effectively. Working together toward common goals and supporting others. Problem solving. Adaptability. Finding creative solutions when challenges arise. Adjusting to new situations and changing circumstances. Discussion question: which soft skill do you think is most important in school? Exploring technical skills. Technical skills are the job-specific abilities you need to complete certain tasks. These skills often come from training, practice, or education, like learning how to code, operate machinery, or use design software. A welder, for example, needs to know how to use welding tools, and a doctor must know how to use medical equipment. Technical skills can be different depending on the career path. Computer programming, operating machinery, medical equipment, writing code to create websites, apps, and software programs, using specialized equipment safely and effectively, understanding and using tools that help diagnose and treat patients. Finding the perfect balance. To be successful, workers need a balance of both soft and technical skills. Having strong technical skills helps you complete your job tasks, while soft skills help you communicate and collaborate with others. For example, a nurse can use medical technology to treat patients but also needs compassion and teamwork to care for people effectively. Employers value people who can use both sets of skills together. Technical skills. Soft skills. Work with others. Complete job tasks. Communicate effectively. Use tools and technology. Both types needed. Solve problems creatively. Apply learned procedures. Discussion question: what could happen if someone only had technical skills but no soft skills? Skills in action, real career examples. Let's look at how both skills show up in real careers. A teacher uses lesson planning software, technical, but also communicates clearly with students, soft. An engineer uses computer programs like CAD, technical, but also works with a design team, soft. Even a chef uses kitchen tools and recipes, technical, while managing a team in the kitchen, soft. Technical, lesson planning software. Teacher. Soft, clear communication with students. Technical, CAD computer programs. Engineer. Soft, teamwork with design colleagues. Technical, kitchen tools and recipes. Chef. Soft, leadership and team management. Discussion question: which example do you connect with the most, teacher, engineer, or chef? Why? Reflecting on our sorting activity. After sorting, let's reflect on what you noticed. Were some skills easy to identify? Did your group disagree about any of them? Some skills may even overlap both categories depending on how they are used. Talking through these examples helps you see why both kinds of skills matter in the workplace. Easy skills. Debated skills. Some were clearly soft or technical. Groups had different opinions. Overlapping skills. New understanding. Some fit in both categories. Both types matter at work. Discussion question: did any skills surprise you by being harder to categorize than you expected? Discovering your own skills. Now it's your turn to reflect on your own skills. Write about one soft skill you think you are strongest in and one technical skill you already have or are developing. Then, think about a skill you want to improve and explain why. Be honest with yourself. This is about your growth, not being perfect. 1. 2. 3. Write about your strongest soft skill. Write about your strongest technical skill. Identify one skill you want to improve. Think about how you interact with others and solve problems. Consider tools, technology, or job-specific abilities you're learning. Choose something that will help you grow personally or professionally. Discussion question: what is one skill you're proud of, and how do you use it? Career connections. 14 professional skills. Reliability. Work ethic. Career management. Punctuality. Discipline. Professionalism. learning agility, leadership, creativity/innovation, oral and written communications, digital technology, global/intercultural fluency, teamwork/collaboration, critical thinking/problem solving. Discussion question: these are the professional skills you are required to learn. Are they soft or technical skills? Sharing and building together. To wrap up, share with a partner one soft skill and one technical skill you want to keep building. We will also make a class list of the most common skills you want to develop. This will show how everyone in the class is working toward future career success. Remember, employers look for both, so practicing now will help you later. Share skills with a partner. Build a class skills to grow list. Employers value both. Both skills lead to success. Congratulations! You now understand how soft skills and technical skills work together to create career success. Remember that both types are valuable, and the best employees are those who can balance people's skills with job-specific abilities. Keep developing both as you explore different career paths. Communication, teamwork, technical abilities, adaptability, problem solving. You're ready for career success. Key takeaway: the most successful professionals combine strong technical abilities with excellent people skills. Start building both now to prepare for your future career.